Hi Sagittarius, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarobyanisha@gmail.com, and this is your monthly forecast for September 2012. Sagittarians, we start the month with a fantastic alignment for you. Finally, yes. We have the Sun and the Mercury, which are going to be transiting your 10th house. Now, that is a house of career, reputation, accolades, promotion, and lots of money. And I think a well deserved pat to you, centaurs on your back. Sagittarians, this month is going to see you networking, socializing with authority figures. You're going to be getting a lot of accolades. There is going to be a recognition on the work, on the projects that you have from higher authorities. There are also indications for some of you to be getting a good, sizable salary hike and also a promotion. So woohoo! I think it's a great month, Sagittarians. We also have a very interesting aspect in the beginning of the month which calls for you missing out on the details and looking at the larger picture, which is so much like a Sagittarian. The centaur is seldom bothered about the details, the minor or the minute details, as he's mostly more worried about chasing his dreams and traveling, having his long mental travels, looking at a larger, a grander picture. But this month, Sagittarians, keep your eyes for details. Keep your eyes open for work that needs to get done in details, on even for those of you especially who handle operations, for those of you who are in the creative field and are involved in artwork, or even I would say copy, advertising, broadcast, communication. Be very careful that details are really, or even contracts are looked at very minutely. There could be some slip up that could happen and which could cause an entire project getting messed up. So be careful over there. We also have an interesting time wherein there's going to be a lot of added responsibility. The authorities are going to be, your bosses are going to be happy giving you additional work, and this along with it speaks for added responsibility, added respect, and you need to be sort of be ready for the task. While it is great to be accepting the promotion and the perks, the universe is cautioning you that you need now to be behave, not just behaving, I think projecting a picture which speaks more of an ability to handle the pressure, or the ability to be able to manage the entire work, Sagittarians. It will be very critical because you are going to be sort of put under a spotlight and you're going to be watched. And this, I'm not saying it really in a critical way, but you know how it is whenever somebody is primed or prepped for a promotion or a raise or a hike, he or she normally tends to come under the radar more, and you tend to sort of watch out for that person and saying, okay, the expectations have gone up, now this person has performed, and now what next? So you need to be matching their expectations quite well with your delivery, and I think it should not be too much of a task for you as long as you project the image as well. I think the managing of the perception will be quite important for you. There's a Venus transit that is happening in your 9th house. Wow, that's again a great place. That's a house of friendships. That is a house also of travel. A lot of you are going to be traveling. A lot of you are going to be wanting to travel to foreign countries, and which is not really surprising because in any case for Sagittarians, I think you are constantly on a mental travel. You love traveling. So this month more so, since there is Venus is there in your 9th house, and she's going to be bringing your friends together. She's going to make friendships better and deeper. You are going to be looking at your friendships from, I think there's also sort of growing up, coming to age of in friendships. I think you have sort of finally accepted and looked at your friendships with a more mature, a more evolved eye, and you know that certain of your friendships are there to stay. And like I said, there is going to be some bonds are going to deepen this month, Sagittarian. So it's going to be great. You are going to be making plans, not just to travel with your friends, but I think a lot of good times again, wherein that a lot of you will be getting together and planning group things and doing group travel. So I would say good fun and good times ahead. There is also an inclination of wanting to get involved in spiritual learnings. I think a lot of you will try your hand at meditation. Some of you could even take a class at um, it really doesn't speak of a conventional religion per se, but it speaks more about spirituality. That lot of you could be drawn towards philosophies of maybe um, other cultures and see as to how it is that things work, or what is life all about, and what is it that makes people move, and which is quite, I would say, for a Sagittarian, you don't normally sit and think about these things too often. But this month, there seems to be a trend where a lot of you are going to be drawn very spiritually. You will want to connect with yourself. You would want to, I think, get more clarity on your own emotions, on what is it that you want, what is it that makes you feel secure, what is it that you value the most. And I think through this route also, whether it speaks also of you finding a mentor at this time. It's a great time, I would say, to reach out to somebody who can not really be a guru sort, but somebody who can shed some more light, somebody who's more evolved. It's a good time to be reaching out and just maybe having discussions, exploring things, and it's something that will, I think, also not heal you from inside, but it is something which will give you great solace. I think you will be happy doing it. So do that. Try your hand at meditation. Try and maybe go to some forums of discussion with a group of friends, and or maybe I think. Read couple of books and see as to what is it that you're absorbing out of it. Traveling is will, on the pleasure front of it, not just make you happy, but I would say even for work, some of you could be taking a long distance travel, and it will be something that will be opening a window for more opportunities to come your way as far as your work is concerned. So travel is highly beneficial for you, Sagittarians, this month. Try and undertake and travel as far and as wide that you can. We also have yes, we also have an aspect wherein that there seems to be some amount of a focus on your parents. Either you're going to be helping them reach a solution. You seem to be trying to figure something out for your parents. Either it has to do with the real estate, or it has to do with them moving, leasing, or some issue that seems to be happening at home that you seem to be or they seem to be sort of mulling about it and not being able to find a solution. So you are going to be sort of stepping in this month, and you're going to be coming out with a solution for them. And I think this could also, on the other hand, do with, for some of you who have had issues with your parents, and it's a good time to be addressing things, Sagittarians. It's a good time to be accepting, acknowledging, and transforming. It's a good time to be, I think, not just say that, oh, I used to have this issue maybe a year back and I don't want to talk about it, and it is all done and over with, and let's just move on, and life has moved on, and I don't want to address it. I think somewhere when you are alone, it sort of bothers you. It is just a reminder of how things could have been if that particular issue was not there. So it's a good time to bridge gaps. It's a good time to reach out to your parents, Sagittarians. It's a good time, and I think for some of you who since it involves an authority, a father-like figure, for some of you could be either handling some financials or some debt tax on your father's behalf. There seems to be some amount of a help that is being called upon. It could also literally mean an emotional reaching out from our father. It also speaks of just nurturing and giving your parents or your father your focused attention, and I think then that in itself would be a healing. So overall, a great month for you Sagittarians, with your 10th house all lit up and the 9th house full of friendships, lots of money, lots of success, great accolades coming your way. Keep up the good work. Do not worry about the added responsibility. It is just going to make you look better. You just need to play the perception this month. Have a good September. I'll see you again in October, and thank you so much for watching.